Hello friends, this is Dr. Abdul Mubin A. Mundewadi from Mundewadi Ayurvedic Clinic. In today's video, we will discuss the Ayurvedic herbal treatment of the complications of diabetes mellitus. Now, diabetes mellitus is a medical condition which results in inadequately metabolized and excessive glucose in the blood. Now, this excessive glucose causes adverse effects on the entire body, especially on the heart, kidneys, eyes, nerves, extremities, the gastrointestinal system and the brain. Untreated diabetes mellitus can cause numerous complications in different organs and body systems. In addition to treatment of diabetes, a large number of individuals affected with diabetes also need separate treatment for the complications of diabetes. Now, mainly we will discuss the complications of diabetic retinopathy, diabetic neuropathy, and diabetic nephropathy. So, now what are these complications? Now, diabetic retinopathy is characterized by cotton wool exudates, hemorrhagic spots, aneurysms, extravasal growth, and chronic damage to the retina. Of course, this leads to gradual vision loss. If the damage is quite severe or quite chronic, then it may be irreversible. Now, what is diabetic neuropathy? This is characterized by paresthesia, which are abnormal sensations like pins and needles, pricking sensation, numbness, exaggerated pain, loss of pain sensation. And this loss of pain can lead to injury and damaged joints and extremities. And in addition, there are symptoms like constipation or loose motions. The same patient may have sometimes constipation, sometimes loose motions, or they may be isolated symptoms. And in addition, neuropathy can cause non-healing ulcers also. Now, what is diabetic nephropathy? This is characterized by a small kidney, reduced function, and increased urine protein. So, this leads to long-term kidney damage. Now, Ayurvedic herbal medicines can be used very effectively to treat the complications resulting from chronic diabetes. The advantage and importance of using Ayurvedic herbal medicines in individuals affected with diabetes is that these medicines are safe for prolonged use. They treat most of the complications successfully, and they have an additional bonus of reducing blood sugar. Ayurvedic herbal medicines can thus comprehensively treat diabetes mellitus as well as the complications. Now, what is done is treatment for diabetes is given. Treatment is given to reduce the blood sugar. In addition, treatment is given to reduce the damage to the specific organ. And this is assessed on a periodical basis. And medicines are given to reduce damage to the nerves, damage to the eyes, damage to the kidneys. So, this is a combination treatment, and it needs to be tailor-made according to the requirement of each patient, so that whatever organs are affected, you need to minimize the damage, reverse it as much as possible, and of course at the same time control the blood sugar levels. Adequate control of the blood sugar, as well as if you make changes in diet and lifestyle, then such patients can be very well managed on a long-term basis. Ayurvedic herbal treatment is therefore very effective in providing treatment and improving the quality of life of diabetic patients, as well as preventing complications from diabetes. So friends, this is a short description of Ayurvedic herbal treatment for the complications of diabetes mellitus. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.